The discourse around relationships between Western men and Filipino women is layered and nuanced. Most men who leave the West in search of a fit, feminine, and friendly woman in the Philippines are weak, underachieving men. So if he says he is looking for a fit, feminine, friendly, and cooperative submissive woman, vet him wisely as a wolf in sheep's clothing. These men are avoiding self-improvement, seeking partners in the Philippines where their Western status gives them an unfair advantage. This creates a troubling power imbalance, often leading to predatory dynamics. Filipino women are frequently reduced to stereotypes, viewed as submissive or docile, ignoring their individuality and ambitions. On one hand, there is a narrative that paints Filipinas as traditional, nurturing, and family oriented. But let's challenge that. Many argue this stereotype oversimplifies a rich culture and reduces women to mere roles. On the flip side, some men claim they are simply looking for cultural alignment and traditional values that they feel are fading in the West, often looking for a partner they perceive as more submissive. Yet, this dynamic can lead to exploitative situations where economic disparities come into play. Some women may view foreign partners as a ticket to financial stability, while some men may wield their financial power to control the relationship. For those considering this path, vetting is crucial. Look for financial stability. Does he have a solid career or just rely on a lower cost of living? Respect for local culture is essential. Does he engage with the community or treat it as a playground? And understanding his past relationships can reveal whether he's genuinely seeking a different lifestyle or just avoiding personal growth. However, it's crucial to recognize that many Filipino women are strong, independent, and hardworking. They manage households and finances, often defying the stereotype of docility. The cultural differences in gender roles can create misunderstandings. What one side sees as strength, the other may misinterpret as weakness. Ultimately, bridging these cultural gaps requires empathy and a willingness to understand each other's perspectives. Select a partner who values you as an equal, whole human being rather than someone who exists merely for his gratification or to meet his physical needs.